In every moment, my life I'll be tempted, concealed and forever always. Every moment, even in the face of greatest.
Butik na ako umuwi sa Cavite. Sunday, parang bossing na bossing pa rin siya. Nasa office pa rin ba? I heard she loved PCA so much kasi she has been an inspiration to many of her employees who dedicated service niya. Minsan, nag-extend siya sa gabi para matapos pa yung trabaho. On my behalf naman, I have very many fond memories of PCA. Kasi it was through PCA that I met my wife. Also, when we were in the PCA grounds, dyan sa Gimmo, it was also during that time naipanganak yung aming two sons when we were having a gathering.
Community gathering.
So, thank you so much, PCA. God bless you.
Servants, and I saw in them the values of professionalism, integrity, transparency, and excellence. And I followed suit, not because they say so, but because of my belief and faith in God. Takot sa Diyos na gumawa ng hindi tama. That's why every time I orient new personnel as an administrative officer type, I always tell them, when you do your job, always remind yourself that someone out there can see you, and you really will never go wrong. Today, I am deeply honored and thankful for the opportunity to have served in government and to have worked alongside dedicated public servants, the past and the present regional managers, R.M. Dennis, sir, who share the same commitment to serving our people. Thank you for the guidance and mentoring. The years I spent in public service have been both challenging and fulfilling. I am grateful for the trust, support, and cooperation that I received from my colleagues, especially my team in the administrative unit and partners throughout my career. The experiences and lessons I gained will always remain with me. As I step into this new chapter of my life, I live with pride in the work we have done, or we have accomplished together, and with confidence that PCA Region 3 and 4B and the whole PCA will continue to uphold its core values. Thank you once again, and I wish everyone continued success and blessings. Maraming salamat.
In every moment, my life I'll be tempted, concealed and forever always. Every moment, even in the face of greatest charm, my thoughts will be all yours, my motto one. And when the search comes at the end